Happy Women's History Month from Arctic Wolf. This year's theme is Accelerate Action, and we're sharing perspectives of women and allies who are part of Women Transforming Technology, a PAC Unity Alliance. Let's jump into things.
To me, acceleration action is a means of using available opportunities to move my career forward in a positive way. With how fast-paced the world is getting into and the ever-changing dynamics, success is not only about how hard you work, but making use of every available tools in your arsenal to create a meaningful and strategic progress.
To me, acceleration action means taking proactive steps towards growth and success. For me, the decision to start as the first Gen account manager at Arctic Wolf in DACH in December 2021 was the biggest and boldest career decision I've taken so far. And I've had and am still having the steepest learning curve that I've ever had in my life.
Acceleration in action is centered around removing friction and actively pursuing sustained and increased momentum for meaningful purpose. As an ally, I challenge myself and those around me to confront our conscious and unconscious biases and to take proactive steps to advocate for equity, ensuring that women and all underrepresented groups have the same access to opportunities and the support each individual needs to thrive in and advance their careers. It takes self-reflection, listening, learning, engagement, the courage to challenge the status quo, and the deliberate creation of a safe and equitable space for all to thrive and grow.
I think mentorship provides wisdom and guidance, helping me overcome obstacles and build confidence, especially in spaces where I may not always feel fully included. Sponsorship plays a key role by ensuring that my talents are seen, my contributions are valued, breaking down barriers that may have been previously limited by growth. When we come together, I think we don't just grow individually, we create more inclusive and thriving professional landscape.
Mentorship, sponsorship, and networking have been key to my growth. Using all the resources available, asking questions, seeking guidance, and learning from others' experience.
Mentoring and networking provide valuable outside insight to help you shape your path, discover new paths, and gain guidance to overcome challenging moments in your career.
One immediate step I can take to accelerate my career is to expand my professional network in cybersecurity.
So for me personally, what I'm going to continue doing is just speaking up and advocating for those underserved communities, which includes women, right? And I want to make sure that I can not only just create as many opportunities possible to bring some, more women on board, but also just provide those seats at the table, right? It's in my position of leadership, it's, have an opportunity to do that. And that's what I will continue doing to make sure that I'm doing my part.
One immediate step I can take is to actively seek out a mentor or sponsor who can provide guidance and open new opportunities for me. By building that relationship, I can gain valuable insights, advocate for my growth, and take more intentional steps towards my career goals.